Alright guys, today I've got a trailer hitch, some fittings, a pole with threads on the end, basically a plumber's pipe, and a good old American flag. Let's get busy. Quick disclaimer guys, I am not responsible for any property damages or any harm that you inflict upon yourself or others. I am just simply showing you how I made my flagpole and how you could do it, but not that you should do it. And I definitely would not run a flag above 45 miles per hour. I just did it for demonstration purposes. So basically this is how it's gonna go. You got the trailer hitch, you got the hole in it, which I'm gonna have to drill out to make it bigger for the piping, and we got the pipe. It goes into a coupling, goes into extension. That's where the trailer hitch is going to rest, in that extension. And then you got the nut on the bottom, and basically all that tightened up is going to be on this trailer hitch. And I think it's going to work out pretty well, but we'll just have to see. All right guys, so here's what's been going on. I've got this extension right here. I'm trying to file this away right here, this 1-inch hole with just a cylinder file here. Anyways, so I've been trying to get this to fit in here, and I'm very close. As you can see, almost all the threads are through it. So once all those threads are through it, the middle part here will just slide in and it'll be fine. So what I've been doing is I've been wobbling it. So you can see I don't have a lot of diagonal wobble this way, but I do have a lot of diagonal wobble this way. So that means I gotta file either here or down here to get over the hump that's on right now. And I've just been rinse and repeat doing that over and over and over again to get it to fit. So I'm just gonna keep doing that, and I'll catch up with you guys when I get it fitting. So close.
The next day.
Okay guys, it is the very next day, and there's good reason for that, because this was a trial and error. As you can see, I did get the flag mounted on the Tahoe here. A couple things I did not know. The first thing that I did not know is that I would need washers for this. I've got two of them, one on top, one on the bottom. The extension that I bought was just too long, and the threads wouldn't go all the way in as I had planned, because it's a taper thread. So the more that you screw on, the fatter the threads get and the tighter it gets. So I had to buy washers for that. The other thing, moving on up, is we got these eye hooks right here, and I've got some acorn nuts on the back, so it's nice and rounded. We got this I don't even know what you call this, but this is a hook that screws on to the grommet, and same thing on top. But then there is this is called a stabilizer, which I did not even know the official name for it until we'd already kind of built it. I looked it up online because, all right, so here's the deal. We had the pole all set up, me and my dad, and the stabilizer was not yet on here, and the flag stuck to the car. The flag went towards the car, it just stuck to the back of the car. I had no idea that would happen. I thought it would just, freedom flag, I didn't know that it would try to stick to the car as you went down the road. So that's why we built the stabilizer, to hold the flag out so that the wind coming over the car will just keep flapping the flag around here. And so it does work with the stabilizer, but without the stabilizer it does not work. So I just got some 1/4 thread rod here. We got two lock nuts on at the top and coming out all the way here. This is a tarp clip, and it has teeth right there. It's got some teeth to grip the flag, and you screw it on so that it holds it real tight. I mean, I can't rip this off, I just can't yank it off. So it's gonna stay on there, it's gonna hold. I haven't gone down the road with it just yet, but I'm pretty confident that it's gonna hold because we used the paper clip, and that did not hold at all. The flag just kept ripping out of it, as you might expect. And I also got another acorn nut on the end of it. I need to get a ball floor of the end of it so that nobody pokes their eye out on it. And I'm either gonna shorten the rod or move the clip out further. We had the paper clip on here, and the paper clip actually came off the rod, and the reason for that is because the rod bends but it stays the same length, and the flag can just come, you know, straight out without any bend. And so the flag was just kind of stretching off of the rod here with the paper clip. So that's why I had to get this right here and move it further in. So I might move this further out. I might cut the rod down. I don't know what I'm gonna do exactly just yet, but that gives you an idea of what you can do to your vehicle. If you had a truck and not an SUV, and you just put this pole on the back of your truck with the trailer hitch thing, or even if you just put it here, I'll show you. Even if you just put it in these cutouts here in the bedside, it would be fine. You wouldn't have to get a stabilizer like I had to get, because the wind would already be trying to push it out from the vehicle and make it fly like a bald eagle. Anyways, so you probably want to see how this does on the road, and that's what I'm about to do right now. The other thing that I forgot to mention is you can also open the access hatch, the access window on your Tahoe if you do decide to do it exactly like I did. Alrighty, I got my cowboy hat, I got my flag, I'm ready to go. Nobody's coming. As you can see, the flag is doing alright. Currently going about 45 miles per. We'll get up to 60 here. Alright, we're going about 60. Still looking good so far. Got a stop sign coming up, so I gotta slow down. I'm gonna pull in here and make sure that that clip stayed on. As y'all did see, we were going 60 miles an hour. It looks like it stayed on, but it's hard to tell from here. As you can see, it did stay on. So yeah, I think that's a certified 60 mile an hour safe DIY flag. I can confidently say that that's probably under $100, all parts and everything, and the flag included. But to be honest, I didn't keep 100% track because it was a lot of trial and error. I didn't even know that I was going to need the stabilizer to keep the flag out, to keep it from gluing to the car. So anyways, hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you are stopping in for the first time, of course. And take care. Have a great day.